Welcome to our tour of the PR1 for Levada dos Cedros, one of the most impressive hiking trails in Madeira. It is a medium difficulty trail, ideal for those looking to connect with nature, with a length of 7.2 kilometers, and can be completed in approximately 3 hours. It starts in Funnel, on the regional road R209, and ends in Corral Falso, on the same road. The route will take us through stunning landscapes, from dense forest to viewpoints with spectacular panoramic views. Along the route, we will immerse ourselves in a laurel forest, a type of humid subtropical forest, a natural treasure declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Here, ancient trees transport us to a remote time. Here you will find centuries-old trees such as the til, Occidefotens, the laurel, Laurus novicanarensis, and the strawberry tree, Arbutus aneto. The vegetation is lush and varied, with endemic plants that are only found in Madeira. The Levada dos Cedros is one of the oldest levadas in Madeira, built in the 17th century. This levada originated from the springs of Lombo do Cedro, at an altitude of 1,000 meters. It is a work of engineering that reflects man's ingenuity and adaptation to the environment. These irrigation ditches, dug into the mountain, were vital in bringing water from the mountains to the fields and lower agricultural areas, and ensuring the subsistence of the population. During the tour, you will pass picturesque wooden bridges and several impressive waterfalls. The Levada dos Cedros also offers panoramic views of the Ribeira da Janela Valley, and the opportunity to observe local fauna, including birds and small mammals. The PR1 for Levada dos Cedros is an unforgettable experience for nature and hiking lovers. It not only offers a journey through the history and biodiversity of Madeira, but also an opportunity to disconnect and enjoy the serenity of the natural environment. So we conclude our tour of the incredible PR1 for Levada dos Cedros. We hope you enjoyed this adventure as much as we did. If you are passionate about trails, nature and stories of unique places like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any video. Leave us a like, share your impressions in the comments and join us on the next adventure.